Hi guys, it's Michael A. Today I will be doing the fractions corrections for number 6 and the bonus. For number 6, the question is -1 11/24 divided by, first parenthesis, -1 and 9/36 end parenthesis. So the first thing we want to do for this problem is change these mixed numbers into an improper fraction. We do this by multiplying the denominator, this number, with the whole number. After we do that, which is 24, we would add the numerator, which is this number. So 24 plus 11 is 35, and the denominator stays the same, so it's still 24. Don't forget your negative symbol. Now you do it for this same one. So 1 times 36 plus 9. First of all, you keep the denominator, 36, and then 1 times 36 is 36, plus 9 is 45, and it's a negative. You do not want to divide fractions, so that is bad. So we want to change that to multiplication. So this will be the reciprocal, and so the denominator will go up to the numerator, and the numerator is going to go down to the denominator. This first number just stays the same. So now that we have our problem all written out, we need to cross-cancel our numbers. So for 24 and 36, I am going to simplify by 12. So 12 goes into 36 3 times, and 12 goes into 24 twice. For 35 and 45, I'm going to do 5s. 5 goes into 45 9 times, and then 5 goes into 35 7 times. So that would equal 7 over 2 times 3 over 9. And these cannot cancel anymore, neither can those. Now we just multiply them across from each other. Seven times 3 is 21, and I know it's going to be a positive number because both of these are negatives, and so 2 negatives equals a positive. And then 2 times 9, 18. But this is an improper fraction, which is what we wanted at first, but now we need to change it back to a mixed number. So 18 goes into 21 once. And then once you do 21 minus 18, it equals 3. So you'd put 3 up here, and then you bring your denominator over. So 1 and 3 over 18. But this simplifies. I know 18 is divisible by 3, and it is 6. So you do 1 and 3 over 18, you do 3 divided by 3, and 18 divided by 3, because you need to simplify your answer. And this then equals 1 and 1 over 6. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So this is your final answer. Now for the bonus question. The first thing that we need to do is change this whole number into a fraction. We're going to do this by simply adding a 1 under it. And then copying over the other fraction. Now, what we need to do is get the common denominator. We didn't need a common denominator in the multiplication problem, number 6 up here, but now we need a common denominator because it is addition. Since 1 and its multiplication is 3, I know that I can multiply this by 3 and multiply that by 3. And so these will be even and these will be even. They will go together and it'll make sense. So you do this by negative 3x over 3, because I multiplied this by 3, plus negative 2 over 3. And I do not multiply this by 3 because it already has 3 as its denominator. So now you just add it up. You cannot add a variable negative 3x into negative 2. So it would equal negative 3x plus negative 2 over 3. So this would be your final answer right here. So your two answers, number 6 is 1 and 1 over 6. And the bonus is negative 3x plus negative 2 over 3. And the reason I kept the same denominator is just because if you put those two together, it would be like saying times 2. 3 plus 3 is the same as doing 3 times 2 equals 6. And then you would have to multiply everything else by 2, and that does not make sense. So that's why we would just make these go together and stay as 1, 3, and then keep the numerator as these, and it's addition because of here. Just drag it up.